welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be installing my rear diffuser from Aero. Big shout out to Aero for being my first sponsor and just being part of the build. Like, you guys know how expensive car parts are, so for them to like my car and just want to be a part of it, like, I'm truly grateful, and it's just mind-blowing. Like, we're slowly growing, slowly but surely. Do you guys like my sweater, by the way? But yeah, hopefully this video is somewhat interesting, and yeah. That fail when you think your car is at least gonna turn on so you could wash it and it doesn't even turn on. What the fuck? What do I do now? I'm just gonna try to push it back so I can wash it. It just turns off on me after a while. Mom, ayúdame a mover mi carro, like. Lo voy a puchar. Para atrás porque ya no prende. Yeah, just get inside. I'm dead. What the fuck?
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Does anybody else hate driving their car? Because fuck. Excited, so excited. Dang, this is heavy. Here. And I can't open this. Honestly, I don't know where the blade is at. So I'm just gonna struggle here. Okay, so I got the blade.
Two hours later.
This is like opening a Christmas song. Oh. This is like so excited. So excited. These are gonna be for the side, I bet. This straight Aero. This one's also for the side. So I kind of cut myself and I don't know how. Disclaimer, please ignore my nails throughout this whole video. I cannot get my nails done yet because my pinky is not growing, so yeah. But I mean, it's easier to install this, I bet, without my nails, so. I got it in, now I just need to drill it. I finally put it together and I'm just gonna put it on my car. I'm not gonna use like any measurements or anything, or how do you say it? I'm just gonna a lo pendejo. Now I'm gonna install it into my car. Hopefully it's as easy as it was to put it together, but we'll see.
When you do it wrong.
So I kind of did it way too high because I'm just eyeing it, and I just drilled a freaking hole in my oh my god. Fuck. So I'm just eyeing it, to be honest, for the most part. So you see, this one has to go like, oh my god, I'm gonna show you guys. It just has to go up here. It looks good though, right? Or should it be more up? Step up. I got this banner from Street Aero. I can't put it on my car because I don't have any more space, but dang, my car looks so clean from this side though. Wow. So yeah, that thing is the only thing that I need to put. I just need to lift my car a little bit so I can put it, because I cannot get the drill under there. Honestly, please ignore my exhaust tips. Like, they're so ugly. I need to get new ones. Actually, I need to get a whole new exhaust because what I'm working with ain't it. But just trust the process. There's still a lot that I need to get done to this car, and first I need to bounce back from this major setback of getting a new engine, because it be like that. It really do be like that. I'm looking so crusty, you guys. Like, I've been outside for hours just because I've recorded the video and then I don't like it. I have a Canon, a Rebel T6, right? But I suck at taking pictures, so I just want to practice. Watch me struggle again. Ta-da! Part of the Street Aero team now. Show them, give them a closer look. Sheesh. You guys, that looks good. I don't have to take this one off, to be honest, because it's kind of like peeling off. This one is my dad's company. Can y'all guess what this means right here? SoCal Z, of course, El Cora exhaust, the word Empire, and did y'all see that? Oops. It may or may not be. I'm just kidding. And then I got the Sad Girls right here. This is my favorite one. Oh, actually, my other favorite one is this one, Sitting Pretty. But yeah, I put my car up on the jack just so that this could reach under right here. Honestly, these are just gonna hang. I've seen other videos of other people that they put it and they just let it hang, but some other person said that they drilled it right here, so I don't know which one to do. So this is how it's looking. Honestly, I don't know if those were supposed to go like that, but whatever. I think it looks cool. You see, Street Aero. But yeah, it was pretty easy to install, to be honest. Please ignore all the oil. That's literally all my car has wasted. Like, who came to visit me? What is that? That is so cute.
So some of them are really bad decorated, but
Oh my
the
god.
heart's good.
I'ma cry.
I went to go give one to my grandma, and then she was like, "Oh,
So
stay for a bit." I was like,
cute.
"Oh no, they're chocolate. They're gonna melt."
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm so excited to eat this. You know my fat ass loves chocolate.
Yeah, but
I've always wanted one of those. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want me to keep doing videos. If you don't, I'm gonna still keep doing them. But yeah.